good friend over today, and she is trying some of my vegan food. Matter of fact, we've got the vegan hamburger, we've got cauli-rice, and we have zucchini pasta or zucchini spaghetti, and we've got some stewed apples. So I'm just going to get her reaction, Miss Tina. She's going to give you her true reaction, y'all, now. That's the cauli-rice.
It's real good.
Real good?
I would definitely switch rice any day for that.
Okay, all right.
Any day.
All right, so let's try the zucchini spaghetti.
Okay.
Y'all, it has less calories. She's going to put some gravy on it from that piece of vegan burger. So let's see what we got. Okay, we got a How you spell
No. We need to find it out. We're going to put it in our own dictionary. That's real good for her.
Oh,
yes.
wow.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to let her try this burger. Let's see. We're going to try this vegan burger. Let's see what she thinks.
It's very flavorful. I wasn't expecting that.
Okay.
I was, honestly, of everything, that was what I was skeptical of. But yes.
All right.
Okay.
All right, y'all.
Don't make me hire you to be bringing food over to the house.
All right, you gonna try stewed apples, y'all. Let's see. This is more like applesauce, but there's no sugar in it except for the sugar from the apples.
There's no sugar in it? Oh my God. It's very sweet. Savory. You can taste the cinnamon. Yes.
No sugar at all.
Okay, so I'm just saying, this whole meal, I'm gonna need it next week.
Oh, wow. All right, y'all. There you have it. But listen, let me tell you something. God has created an amazing day. He has created a great day for us, and He has given us the opportunity to manage it. So manage it well. All right. There you have it.